Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to SAP video series. In the today video tutorial, I am going to show how to create vendor master in SAP S4HANA. Okay, without any further delay, let's get started. Enter the transaction code BP, press enter key. Now click on organization. My grouping is BP02. Don't confuse it with vendor account group. Vendor account group is different and grouping is different. Okay. Now I'm going to enter the vendor address. My vendor name is ABC India Private Limited. Okay. Enter search term. Enter address of vendor master. Country is India, hence I'm going to enter IN. Region is Karnataka. I'm going to enter KA. KA stands for Karnataka. Okay. Now select our vendor language. Vendor language is English. Now press enter key. Okay. Now click on save option. When I click on the save option, system creates the business partner, not vendor master. Okay. Now go to the change option. This business partner data stores in BUT 100 table. Okay. Address data stores in ADRC table. Now change the BP rule. BP rule I'm going to change FI supplier. Click on company code. Enter company code here. Press enter key. Yeah. Now enter reconciliation account. Press enter key. Now click on vendor payment transaction tab. Enter payment terms. Select duplicate invoice checkbox. Press enter key. Now save the data. So once I save the data, system creates the vendor master. Now click on save option. This company code data stores in LFB1 table. Okay. Now I am going to extend this vendor master to purchase organization data. Click on purchasing. Enter your purchase organization. Press enter key. Enter vendor currency. Scroll down little bit. Select GR based invoice verification checkbox. Scroll down little bit. Here we can enter vendor schema group. By default, SAP already taken the default schema group. Okay, hence I am going to leaving it blank. Okay. As per my requirement, I maintain the fields. Okay, now click on partner function. If required, you can maintain the partner function. Okay, now click on save option. Yes, my vendor master now extended to purchase organization. That's it today video tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.